Today I will test a 99% win rate 1 minute scalping strategy created by data trading to see if it's really this accurate. I will test this strategy 100 times on the price of BTC versus USDT on a 1 minute time frame. The initial account size will be set at $1,000 and I'll be risking 2% per trade in order to make 4. I will also improve this strategy towards the end of the video, so make sure you stay focused and learn this amazing technique I'm about to show you. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. Now without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first we need to head over to TradingView.com and open the Bitcoin versus USDT on the 1 minute time frame. And in order to actually build this 99% win rate strategy, we need to add 3 free TradingView indicators to our chart. So navigate up to your indicators tab, and the first indicator we will be searching for is trend lines with breaks by Lux Algo. The indicator settings will need to be changed, so double click on it, and in our input section we're going to be changing our slope from 1 to 0, and we're going to be ticking show only confirmed breakouts. For the second indicator we need to add our SSL hybrid, which is this one by Michael. We're also going to need to change the settings to this, so double click on it, and in the input section we're going to be changing the baseline length from 60 to 100, and we're going to be changing the baseline type from HMA to EMA. Then in the style section we're going to be changing a few things as well. And for our third and final indicator, we need to search for our moving average convergence divergence, or our MACD. In the style section we're also going to be removing our MACD line and also our signal line. Okay, the strategy is now complete. Let's move on to our trading rules. So for a valid long signal, the following conditions must be met. First, the price action must close above our SSL hybrid line, and the line must be colored in blue. Second, the trend lines with breaks indicator must spot a bullish breakout. This happens when the price action crosses and closes above the upper trend line. And finally, to confirm the entry, the MACD histogram needs to be above our 0 level, meaning it's colored in green. So we would be opening our long position on the close of our trigger candlestick. Our stop loss will be set at our most recent swing low, and as for the take profit, I will be targeting 2 times the risk. When the price action reaches a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, the stop loss is going to be moved to our break-even level. And as we can see, this trade managed to be successful. For sell entries, the rules are exactly opposite. First, the price action must be closed below our SSL hybrid line, and the line must be colored in red. Second is that the trend lines with breaks indicator must spot a bearish breakout. This happens when the candlestick closes below our lower trend line. The third and final condition is to have our MACD histogram placed below our 0 level, meaning it is colored in red. So we would be opening our short position on the close of our trigger candlestick. The stop loss will be placed at our most recent swing high, and the take profit target will stay the same. Again, the stop loss will be moved to our break-even level once we manage to hit a risk to reward ratio of 1-to-1. And again, we had another successful trade. As we can see, the rules for this strategy are really clear and easy to understand. So without wasting any time, let's move straight to the backtesting to find out all the numbers behind this strategy. So the backtesting is finished and the results look quite surprising. The win ratio is only 37% and the rest of the numbers also look really terrible. So yeah, this doesn't really work on a BTC 1 minute time frame. Even though we had good money management in place, we still haven't managed to make any profits with this strategy. And the reason this strategy performed so poorly is because the trade entries are really bad. First thing I'd like to point out is when the market is ranging, these indicators do not cancel each other. But you might be thinking, hang on a minute, these breakouts are not even confirmed. However, if we replay the chart, we see that we do have a label that says breakout. This means that the conditions for a long entry are met. Here we also had a valid breakout, and this trade also turned out to be a losing one. By the way, the trend line with breaks indicator repaints these breakout signals. That's why you should always backtest any strategy by using the replay mode. Now you might be asking, is there any way to improve the strategy? And my answer is not really. But don't worry, I will give you a strategy that actually works. And this one shows really good numbers on a Bitcoin 1 minute time frame. Alright, so this setup includes 3 free indicators as well. First of all, we have our zero lag SMA, which is set at 50. You can find this indicator by coming up to your indicators tab and typing in ZLSMA, and it's this one here. For the second indicator, I'm using the parabolic SAR buy and sell. By the way, the inputs have been changed. Then for our third and final indicator, I'm using the bulls and bears power trend. And it's this one here by Dread Blitz. So the conditions for entering a long trade are very simple. First, the candlestick must be fully closed above our zero lag SMA. Second, the parabolic SAR needs to issue a new buy signal. And third, at the time we have this signal, the bulls and bears must print a new green histogram. The stop loss is placed slightly below either your zero lag SMA or your recent swing low, and the take profit target is set at 2 times the risk. Don't forget that you have to move your stop loss to your break even level as soon as the price action reaches a 1-to-1 risk to reward. For short entries, the rules are exactly opposite. The parabolic SAR must issue a new sell signal, the candlestick must be positioned below our zero lag SMA, and to confirm the entry, the bulls and bears must issue a new red histogram at the time the signal is issued. The stop loss is set slightly above the zero lag SMA, and our take profit target is set at 2 times the risk. As we can see, this strategy is perfect for eliminating losing trades when the market is ranging. We see that none of these signals were actually confirmed. Sometimes the price action will reach a risk to reward ratio of 1-to-1, and then it will move towards your stop loss. So yeah, I hope you understood this strategy. Definitely give it a try. Make sure you forward test it with paper money before trading it live. If you've any questions, please ask them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. I love you all. Peace.